it's me, Troy, and welcome back to my channel. It's been so long, guys, and I have no excuses, but I really miss this. I won't say, I won't elaborate what happened, but there's so many things that happened this past few months, and here I am, and I'm so excited to finally react again. Okay, like in this video, we're gonna react to been a month. I think, yeah, it's been a month. We're gonna react to Yuk Sung Jae's comeback. Oh my god, he's my husband. Anyways, no, wait. Okay, I've seen in social media that he's going around doing tours, fan meetings. I'm positive that he will definitely go to my country, and I don't have money yet, but I will definitely go and see him. B2B came in our country last April. I was seated in the. I was poor. I'm sad. I'm poor, but well, it it didn't matter. Their live vocals, their stage presence, their visuals. Oh my god, they look so good in person. Like, oh my god, and their vocal. It's like you're listening to their, you know, anyways, it was so amazing, and the crowd just being part of that blue ocean. Like, oh my god, it was so amazing, and I didn't regret any, like, spending money, even though compared to the other tickets, it was cheap. But oh my god, it was so amazing, and I had a blast. It was so amazing. It was perfect, and oh my god. I can't. I will never forget that. I will never forget how amazing that night was. It was, oh my god. And yes, Sung Jae, sorry, Sung Jae was not there. I think it was a conflict of schedule. I don't know, but then he announced he will be having his own fan meeting, and I was like, oh my god, was praying that not this year, please, not this year. B2B just came in our country, and I don't have money. But yeah, he started doing his tour. He just finished in Japan, and I can feel him coming, you know, and money. I need money. I want to see him in person. Oh my God. And I will see him. Nothing can stop me. So yeah. And in this video, I'm gonna like I'm gonna react to his latest comeback, Be Somebody. And the other two songs, yeah, it was three. So yeah, let's get going. I'm sorry. Now that I've talked about the fan con, it keeps on playing on my mind. I never talked about it. I never posted it in social media, in my social media accounts. I don't know. I just kept on watching the videos, replaying it on my mind. I didn't post it. But my friends knew that I went to their fan con. I don't know. It felt like I didn't have the courage to post it. I don't know why. But it felt so amazing. It was so perfect. And again, B2B, they are so amazing.
Oh.
Kumusta? Pilipinas Melody Kay Kanda!
네가 너무 보고 싶어서 야야야 그새 무슨 부리고 나나나 좋아하는 거는 아니고 어제가 내가 또 나오나 저처럼 넌 날색을 있으면 let me know let's give it a go 난 너여야 한다 아무리 생각해도 너는 너야 후회하기 싫다 말했어 You are the only one
You know that Sunjay is my bias, right? If if you have watched my B2B Killing Voice series, you would know that Sunjay is my bias and I discovered B2B because of him. He is my bias, but I stayed because I fell in love with them. All of them. And their songs, like they literally healed me. So when the news came out that Sunjay won't be coming, it broke my heart, honestly. But it never came to my mind that I won't watch it. I won't attend just because Sunjay is not there. Just because my bias won't be there. No. I discovered them because of Sunjay, but I stayed and I stand them. All of them. It's because of their music. It's because of B2B. So yeah, no matter how far I was, just being in the same place at the same moment with at the same time with B2B, it was so priceless. It was so amazing. So I'm really hoping to see Sunjay when he goes to my country, and I hope that I have money by that time. I will watch it. I will watch him. I will see him in person. I will, please. Anyways, let's get started. Let's go and watch his MV. Be Somebody. Been, like, I think it's been a month. I am so late. But yeah, it's better late than never. And let's go. And well, talking about the title, Be Somebody. Hmm. And I've seen the teasers back then. I just couldn't really react on the video because uh work, too much work, too much work. So yeah, I am excited for this. Did I move here? No. It should be here. Yes. So excited. Let's get started. Oh, not this one. Where is it? I think I'm gonna cry. I don't know. Just seeing the title makes me sad. I don't know. I just got the feeling that he's in his hook. He's he is in a new company, a new label, and he finally got out of that blue box. Oh my god.
weather was so cold, flying through the clouds, autumn every day.
English. Ooh.
숨찬 낮과 밤먼 빛을 따라 헤맨 날들 솔로래. 쉬는 법을 잊은 빈틈없는 위켄드 달쓴 내 하루가 내 것 같지 않아. 한숨 같은 breathing 열정 끝에 남은 차가워진 영혼만이 terrified.
So beautiful.
Big dreams 다 이루려 길
His
잃은
voice. Can you hear it?
I'm gonna realize it. All of my life I've been waging this war, trying to be
Ah.
all of my life 내 안에 날 믿고 trying to be
Good.
shoot me down, make it
Oh. Inside a blue box. Trap.
더 던지고
Throw away the past. I won't go back to who I was before. What did you
to
do?
who I was before. You make me be
Oh,
somebody.
Gigi.
시선 앞에 설 땐 like a superman. 꾸민 보이스로 엔타에 나를 무장해. 거울 속에 나는 아직
Look
어린
at that. This video implying that he was trapped. He wanted out. Come on.
Peter Pan. You never judge me. You take me for who I am. 내맘 삼켰던 어둠 위로 이젠 높이 더
Oh, yes. You deserve it. Fear disappears. Oh.
Big dreams 다 이루려 길 잃은 날 보며 Yeah, I'm gonna realize it. All of my
That,
life I've been waging this war,
that,
trying to
I don't know.
be somebody. All of my life 내
This is amazing.
trying to be somebody. Shoot me down, make it 지난 날은
The
벗어던지고
throwaway pass.
Go back to who I was before. You make me
Be
be somebody.
somebody.
I've been wasting my time trying to be
Oh
who
no. Him saying that. Oh shit. That's.
I'm not. 이젠
I don't want to.
되돌아가고 싶지가 않아.
Oh, that. The way it fell. Like he was out of the. Yes, you're out of it. You're out. You're free.
You make me be somebody. All my life I've been waging this war, trying to be somebody. All of my life 내 안에 날 믿고 trying to be somebody. Shoot me down, make it 지난 날은 벗어던지고 I won't go back to who I was before. You make me be somebody.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god, look at that face. Ooh. They're all foreigners, right? Is it like because he was gatekept from the international fans? I think so. I mean, him, Sung Jae, and B2B could. I know that Korea loves them. They're big in Korea, but they could be bigger outside Korea if Blue Box handled them well. And it's so annoying. It's so frustrating. And look at this song, Be Somebody. You won't go back to who he was before. That's painful. Those lyrics are painful. Who wrote it? Did he? Tell me he did it because I think I'm gonna cry. Wait, I'm just gonna be somebody. And the way he sings it, you know that it's just not a song to him. It's it's personal. It really is. And the symbolisms. Do you call it symbolisms? The hints here and there, like being trapped, blue box, him breaking free. Ooh, it was so amazing. Be Somebody was written by, where is it? Sorry. Oh, he's one of the writers. Oh, now that makes it more painful. But I'm glad. I'm glad that he is out of that blue box. Sorry, it's frustrating. And I really hope that he gets to be like recognized more for his talents. He's an amazing singer. Just listen to the song. It's amazing. His vocals, the high notes, the something like that. I don't know how to say it. I don't know how to call it, but as always, MJ, his voice is amazing. And there's just something about his voice. So the emotions behind it, Yuksum J. And not just a singer, he's a good actor. People should be tuning in him. But I know this is just the start, and I know he will get there. Because he deserves it, and he is one talented man. He's an amazing person. And yeah, the song is amazing. Trying to be somebody. Oh, all of my life I've been waging this war. Ah, man, the lyrics. Come on. Anyways, let's go to another song. Next song. Called. Actually, where is it? Without You. Without You. Okay, for our next song, Without You. So I will be I found live versions of this song and I will be reacting to them. And I'm so excited because it's live. And it's a video. So yeah, let's get started. Yeah. Without You. My friend's glaring at me. Okay, let's start. Oh, he looks so good. Yeah. Ooh. Another English starter. Come on, Sunjay.
뭐라고 말할까 핑계가 뭐야 이제 뱉어봐 I've been waiting for you 이성은 no pressure 말을 왜 골라 애써 너조차 입에 담긴 힘들지 yeah 뭘 더 고민하니 어차피 안 볼 나의 끝까지 못 돼줘서 고맙지 Oh my god 하마터면 속을 뻔했네 툭하면 과일 습관처럼 눈물 흘리지 What a waste of time 이별이 별거니 집어치워다 I show you my lifetime Hey girl I don't wanna
Ooh, this is a bop.
see you I don't wanna hate you 미련 없이 뒤돌아봐 away my time 낭비할 수 없이 I should have a party
Thank you.
슬기겠어 everything without you
Who hurt you, baby? Come on.
알게 됐으니 What a waste of time 이별이 별거니 집어치워가 I show you my lifestyle Hey girl I don't wanna see you I don't wanna hate you 미련 없이 뒤돌아 far away My time 낭비할 순 없지 I should have a party yeah. 난 즐기겠어 everything without you
This is fun, like fun.
난 즐기겠어 everything
This is
without you
Yeah, everything without you. That's blow at the It's so cute.
time 낭비할 순 없지 I should have a party
He also contributed with the lyrics in this one, right?
Oh, Sung Jae. Oh my god. Rimak na ya. Okay.
That song is a bop. Like every time I would listen to it, I would just like that. So fun. But the lyrics, it's like it's moving on, is it? Am I right? Like it's trying to move on from someone and then from this girl who's uh, wait, I'm so sorry. Sorry guys. I'm so sorry. There an English translation. I'm ah, why? Why? Why is there no? It's just a romanized. I need the English translation. Oh, it's this one. Too bad wasn't I know it without saying already. Your love is not like we won't see each other and we think we're not being kind till then. I almost got pulled. If you just cry, you shed tears out of habit. What a waste of time. It's bringing up a big deal. Forget it all. I don't want to see you. I don't want to hate you. Turn around without regret. Far away. My time can't waste it. I should have a party. I'll enjoy everything without.
Oh. I love this. Anyways, we can now go to the next and last song. There's something about a ghost. Gosh, right? It's a ghost like that. Wait. Okay, and so our last song, The Ghost. Ooh, just kidding. Okay, let's go. Right. Ooh. Oh, this haunting feeling. Well, it's the ghost, but yeah, it's haunting. I like it. I love it. I'm loving it. I bet it's English, the starters again.
I know I'm living, but I feel numb. Up I 1 minute, then memories come. And no matter what I do, I can't escape. When the ghost of you still haunts me every day. You're the door that slams behind me. And you're the morning light that blinds me. Every thought and every feeling, you are always in control. Even now you're taking home. So if you let me, then drift into the night. Set me free from the past, let me move on. Like shooting stars, we can pass each other by. I need you gone. I see your face when I close my eyes. Keep reaching out for your hand when I can't sleep. 1,000 memories that haunt my me free from the past, let me move on. Like shooting stars, we can pass each other by. I need you gone. Need you gone. See your face when I close my eyes. Can't reach enough for your hand when I can't sleep. Thousand memories that haunt my mind. Spirits and shadows remind me I'm not alone. They tell me that I need time and space, but no one could ever take your place. So my angel, this is goodbye. It's time that I give up the ghost. Yeah, spent too long in the dark. Now I gotta break free. Time to bury the past. I've got to learn to be me without you. This time I'm calling you loose. I see your face when I close my eyes. Can't reach enough for your hand when I can't sleep. Thousand memories that haunt my mind. Time that I give up the ghost. So my angel, this is goodbye. Time that I give up the ghost.
Whoa. Okay, first of all, wait. First of all, that whole song is in English. Whoa. I thought it would just be the first line. Second, the song itself is haunting. And it's cool because the title is called The Ghost. And the lyrics, come on, dude. It's just, you know, that really happens that really happens in real life. Like, know when the time comes that it's just not, like in a relationship. It's not always about relationship, okay? You can like take it whatever you want to. Yeah. But I'm just saying this an example, like when things ended and you're trying to move on, it's easy to say that. Oh, it's done. Oh, I'm done with all of it. I'm ready to move on. And sometimes you're all happy and you thought you're all good, you're okay. But then suddenly flashbacks. All the memories, images. It really happens. You're eating here, watching your favorite movie, and then suddenly it will, you know, it will flash in your mind like how, why? Like I wasn't even thinking about it, but yeah, here it is. So the lyrics and the title, so fitting. It's like perfect. It's so perfect, and well, the ghost also has a theme as has the same theme with the other songs, like trying to break free, trying to move on, break free. Yeah, and I think that you know, I mean, if I would interpret it, I could interpret it in two ways. Like he's trying to move on, trying to forget, and he wants to forget about his past relationship, or he's trying to move on, trying to start anew, but his past keeps haunting him, and like there's still this anxiety that you know slowly creeping on. his heart while he's trying to do what he wants, because his past keeps on haunting him. Like I don't think he has to forget it because it's it's a part of his life, but I don't know. Acceptance, maybe. I don't know. What am I saying? Where do where is this going? I don't know, but the song is amazing. And his voice. I mean, it's Yuk Sung Jae. Yuk Sung Jae, B2B. There's no doubt. You can't question it. They're always amazing, but yeah, Yuk Sung Jae. I love this this. Is this an album with just 3 songs? I don't know how you call stops. Okay, it's an album, right? Single album, first single album. Yeah, an album. Okay, but I love this one, and I really hope that he keeps on making songs. So amazing, really. And the fact that he's, this is like the first time he's been trying to be independent after he left Blue Box, and then he's not with his Jones in B2B company, but yeah, I know he's doing his best, and I'm so proud of him. I feel like a mom. No, it's my husband. So yeah, I'm so excited to hear this live. I already decided that I will see him. Oh my god. I still don't have money. But yeah, you so Jay. I'm so excited to hear from him more and to see him more. I'm just so excited. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Yuk Sung Jae, Yuk Sung Jae, Yuk Sung Jae. Yes. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.